Hello, folks. Look here. This is something a lot of people are not familiar with, but this is something that you can purchase from Harbor Freight for a little over $10, $11. And it'll tell you what's behind any place you might be wanting to nail or drill in your walls. When you're going to install a picture or anything, you can use this tool right here, and it'll tell you where the studs are, or the wires, or whatever's in your wall. You just got to purchase this right here. This is one of the awesome tools you can have in your house besides the voltage meter. Thank y'all for watching my videos. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you.
Grade 2, check video. Hanging wedding pictures.